You can easily put the headset on. You can adjust the microphone to any angle that's easier for you to talk. It comes in a simple packaging. Headset comes with a USB connection. You could easily connect it to your PC. As soon as you insert the USB into your laptop or computer, you could see Windows automatically detects it and selects it as your output device. Note in the brackets, it says USB audio device. That's how you could distinguish between this headset and your other audio devices. It comes with 4 buttons. If you press this button, it would mute your microphone so that the other person won't be able to hear you, and a red light turns on. You could also increase or decrease the volume coming to the headphone, or you could completely turn off the headphone so that you won't hear the other person. The primary purpose of this headset is for communication. You can talk through Skype, WhatsApp, Zoom. There are 4 things that I like about this headset. First, you could simply just plug and your computer would detect it and you could use it straight away. Second, it's very comfortable to wear as it is light and flexible. Third, the quality of the headphone is good for listening to other people's voice. And finally, I'm really impressed by the length of its cable. You could easily connect it to the back of your computer and even you could stand while talking. Negative thing about this headphone is that its microphone picks up a bit of a background noise. The following clip is recorded using this headset's microphone. The purpose of this call is to test whether the other person can hear me clearly and whether I can hear the other person clearly. But that's reflected in the price of the headset. And if you're interested to buy this headset, use the Amazon link in the description.